All right, back on the 59. I got the motor running somewhat decent to where I can go ahead and get the drive shaft put in. Check everything out on transmission, clutch, rear end. See if we can get this bad boy to move. Here we go. All right, when my brother bought the truck, the drive shaft was hanging down like that right there. So I'm going to unbolt it from the back end, slide it in the transmission. It looks like it's going to match up, so we'll see. Already got the drive shaft in, gear oil in the transmission and the rear end. Let's see what happens. Alright, we got some movement going on. We really need to get it out on the road, around the block once or twice, see what happens from there. Alright, to the start of another day here. I got it moving a little bit last night, then I noticed it was getting a little tougher to roll. This front wheel kept locking up on me when I hit the brake. So I'm going to go ahead, put new wheel cylinders all the way around it. Check the lines, check the master cylinder, and this and that, so let's get started. Yeah, it's moving. Alright, looks like I'm going to be putting a clutch, pressure plate, and throwout bearing in this bad boy. After a few adjustments, I still can't get it to act right. Got a little leak at the bottom of the carburetor, so I got to look into that. Okay, I got to get the exhaust fixed. I'll go ahead and put the rest of the wheel cylinders all the way around, check the brakes out, master cylinder, and go from there. We'll holler at you guys on the next one. Take it easy.